Every kitchen in America seems to have one. That shiny little box that promises guilt-free fries, oil-free wings, and healthy food in minutes. They call it an air fryer. But let's be honest, half the time it's just a glorified hairdryer with a temperature knob. You plug it in, drop in your frozen fries, and for a moment, you feel like Gordon Ramsay. 10 minutes later, it smells like burnt plastic. The smoke alarm screaming, and you're wondering how this became the health revolution everyone talked about. That, my friends, is modern kitchen marketing at its finest. They've turned a $30 heating coil and a fan into the most overhyped appliance of the decade. And the worst part? You might actually be paying more for something that cooks worse than your old oven from 1995. Walk into any store today, Costco, Best Buy, Target, and it looks like air fryers have taken over an entire aisle. Boxes everywhere with words like Smart Crisp Technology, Turbo Heat 360, and AI. Fry Sense. I swear, if one more appliance claims to have artificial intelligence, I might need to unplug my toaster before it starts asking for Wi-Fi. The truth, most of these machines are all sizzle, no steak. The cheap ones can't hold temperature. The mid-range ones lie about capacity, and the expensive ones, well, they just pretend they're ovens. Now, let's talk about what really happens after you bring one home. Week 1, everything's perfect. You're air frying fries, shrimp, even reheating pizza feels like magic. Month 3, it starts sounding like a small jet engine. The coating on the basket begins to flake. Month 6, weird smell. You start Googling, why does my air fryer smoke? Month N, flickers, the handle cracks, and suddenly it's back to the oven season. Month 12, you realize you spent $150 to own something that makes your kitchen louder and greasier than before. It's the same story over and over. Thousands of reviews say it in different words, but the pattern never changes. Here's why. Most air fryers are built cheap on purpose. Lightweight plastic shells, thin Teflon baskets that chip faster than dollar store nonstick pans, heating elements that lose power within months, and fans that sound like they were borrowed from a 1990s desktop computer. Manufacturers don't expect you to use these things for years. They expect you to use them until the next upgraded model drops, the one that promises to be even smarter and somehow costs $50 more. But here's the real kicker. Most of these air fryers are literally mini convection ovens. That's it. They push hot air around your food in a small space. The only reason they cook faster is because there's less room for air to escape. You could get the same results using your oven's convection mode if you own one built anytime after 2010. And it will, people swear by them. Why? Because the companies selling them have mastered the art of selling hope. Hope that you'll eat healthier. Hope that you'll cook faster. Hope that you'll stop drowning your chicken in oil. Except no one tells you that most air fryers still make your food taste like oven-baked leftovers. Not crispy, not juicy, just warm. It's fast, but it's not magic. And here's where it gets ugly. Some air fryers don't just disappoint, they're dangerous. Thin wiring, melting handles, faulty connectors. In 2023, Cosori recalled millions of units because they were literally catching fire. And yes, people actually posted photos online of their air fryers smoking like chimneys. So, next time you see an air fryer on sale for $39 with 12 smart cooking modes, remember you're not buying technology. You're buying the cheapest heating coil the factory could find. Now, don't get me wrong, there are good ones out there, but they're buried under a mountain of knockoffs, bad copies, and influencer hype. You've got TikTokers showing off easy meals in 10 minutes, but never showing you the smoke detector 5T away going off like a siren. That's what we're here to fix, because if you're going to spend your money on something that lives on your countertop, it should make your life easier, not noisier, smellier, or riskier. In this video, we're diving deep. Which air fryers are actually worth the hype? Which ones belong straight in the trash? And how to spot the difference before you waste another dollar. Because that glossy black box on your counter might promise healthy eating, but under the lid, it's hiding a whole lot of hot air. And trust me, some of these brands, they deserve applause. Others, they deserve a one-way trip to the landfill. So, grab your spatula and your common sense. Let's rank the most talked about air fryers of 2025. From burnt disasters to crispy perfection, number 8, Cosori, the fire starter. Let's start with the elephant in the kitchen, the one that smells like burnt wiring. Cosori used to dominate Amazon with perfect photos, influencer hype, and over 100,000 five-star reviews. Then came 2023, the recall heard around the world. Thousands of units literally started smoking. Handles melted, plugs overheated. People went from crispy wings to where's the fire extinguisher? Owner experience. Week 1, fantastic fries. Month 6, strange smell. Month 8, black smoke mid-cook. Month 9, I went back to my oven. It doesn't try to kill me. Cosori's new models promise safety, but trust is like Teflon. Once it flakes off, it never sticks again. Verdict: sleek design, dangerous execution. Avoid it like reheated fish. Number 7, Power XL. All show, no sizzle. You've seen their infomercials. A guy yelling, "Look at that, crisp!" Yeah, the only thing crisp is their marketing budget. Power XL's air fryers are noisy, underpowered, and built like budget hair dryers. Their baskets peel faster than sunburn, and their buttons, let's just say even elevators, respond faster. Owner experience. First few weeks, I was obsessed. Then it started sounding like a lawnmower trapped in a tin can. It's the kitchen equivalent of fast fashion. Looks good, dies young. Verdict: avoid unless you collect disappointments. Number 6, Dash. Cute but clueless. Dash air fryers are like toy cars. Adorable, colorful, and completely useless for real work. They're perfect for dorm rooms or single-serve snacks, but if you try cooking a full meal, you'll realize it's a fryer for ants. I made 6 fries at a time. One reviewer joked, dinner for 2 took an hour. Verdict: great as a gift, not as a kitchen tool. If it looks like decor, it probably cooks like decor. Number 5, Instant Pot, Instant Vortex. Trying too hard. Instant Pot thought, we make amazing pressure cookers. Let's just slap a fan on top. And that's how the Instant Vortex was born. Good idea, rushed execution. The airflow is inconsistent and the food ends up half cooked, half mushy. It's like the appliance can't decide if it's baking or steaming. Great user interface, nice design, but mediocre crisp. Owner experience. It looked high-tech, but my chicken wings came out like they'd been microwaved by NASA. Verdict: nice for reheating leftovers, not for impressing dinner guests. Number 4, Ninja, the hype machine. Ah, Ninja, the brand that makes you feel like a kitchen warrior. Strong visuals, cool names, turbo buzzwords. But under all that energy, the reliability just doesn't match the promise. Yes, Ninja's latest dual-zone XL models fixed a lot of issues. Better airflow, faster preheat, more even cooking, but the older ones are a cautionary tale of cracked handles and broken seals. Owner experience. By month 5, my fries were perfect, but my basket handle wasn't. Verdict: not bad if you buy the newer line, but don't expect it to last as long as your fridge magnets. Number 3, Cuisinart, the quiet professional. Now we're talking. Cuisinart doesn't play the influencer game, it just quietly wins. Their air fryer toaster ovens, like the TOA 70, are built from real metal, not cheap plastic. They can roast, bake, broil, and actually air fry without choking on their own fan noise. They're slightly bulkier, yes, but that's the point. Real heating elements, solid racks, and a design that feels like it was built by engineers, not marketers. Had mine for 3 years. Still crisping fries like day one. It's the Honda Accord of air fryers. Not flashy, just dependable. Verdict: functional, reliable, and built to last longer than the next TikTok trend. Number 2, Philips, the OG king, the one that started it all. Before the hype, before the TikTok recipes, before the $49 knockoffs, there was Philips. And to this day, it's still one of the best you can buy. The premium XXL and Essential lines use solid heating coils and metal baskets that stay clean and even. No weird smell, no flickering screen, just consistent, crispy results. Yes, it's pricey, but this is one of those rare times where you truly get what you pay for. 4 years, 0 issues. It's the only thing in my kitchen that hasn't asked for Wi-Fi yet. Verdict: built like a tank, fries like a dream. Worth it. Number 1. Breville Smart Oven Air, the masterpiece. And here we are, the undisputed champion. Not technically a pure air fryer, but that's what makes it unbeatable. The Breville Smart Oven Air is part air fryer, part toaster oven, part miracle worker. It's whisper quiet, evenly heats every corner, and can handle everything from wings to sourdough like it was born for it. It doesn't peel, doesn't smoke, and doesn't look like a toy. The temperature precision is insane. Within 2 degrees, you can cook steak, cookies, and fries in the same session and still get restaurant-level results. Owner Experience had it for 3 years, never a hiccup. It's like a Tesla of kitchen appliances. Quiet, precise, expensive, and addictive. Verdict: if you want the last air fryer you'll ever buy, this is it. It doesn't scream healthy cooking. It is healthy cooking. So, here's the crispy truth. Most air fryers on the market are built to impress you on the shelf, not in your kitchen. They look futuristic, sound smart, and promise healthy fried food. But 9 out of 10 are just marketing wrapped in plastic. And yet, there's still hope. Because if you know what to look for, you can skip the junk and buy an air fryer that actually earns its spot on your counter. Let's break it down. 1. Skip the plastic parade. If it looks like a toy, it probably cooks like one. Cheap air fryers under $70 usually have thin, non-stick coatings that peel faster than a bad sunburn. That coating ends up in your food and in your lungs. If you're unlucky, look for metal interiors, stainless steel baskets, and solid handles. You'll feel the difference the second you lift it. Real metal has weight. Plastic has excuses. And if you're still tempted by that shiny $49 deal at Walmart, ask yourself one question. How crispy can it get when the only thing heating it up is wishful thinking? 2. Ignore the smart hype. Wi-Fi connectivity, app control, voice commands. Seriously, who's talking to their air fryer? You don't need Alexa to tell you your nuggets are ready. You need consistent temperature, even airflow, and easy cleanup. The smart features sound cool, but most stop working after a few software updates. If it can't crisp without Wi-Fi, it's not a kitchen tool, it's a liability. 3. Size actually matters. Manufacturers love lying about capacity. They'll call something a 5-quart when it barely fits 2 chicken breasts. Here's the rule. Whatever size they advertise, cut it in half. That's your real usable space. If you cook for 1 or 2, 4 to 5 quarts is fine. If you're feeding a family, aim for 7 quarts plus, like the Philips HD 9870/20, XXL or Ninja AF3000 EU dual zone. And yes, the dual baskets are useful. If you actually cook 2 things at once, not just to look fancy for guests. 4. Look at noise and smell. If your air fryer sounds like a jet engine, you bought the wrong model. Good ones, like the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer or Philips HD 9650/90, humbly. Cheap ones roar, rattle, and smell like overheated plastic. You shouldn't need earplugs to make dinner. 5. Cleaning shouldn't be a nightmare. If it takes longer to clean than to cook, skip it. Removable baskets and dishwasher-safe parts are a must. Cuisinart models still win here because they act like real ovens. Flat racks, easy wipe down, no hidden grease traps. 6. Maintenance equals longevity. Every few weeks, check the basket coating. If it's starting to bubble or chip, that's your sign to move on. Don't cook another meal in a flaking basket. It's not extra seasoning, it's microlastic. Run your air fryer empty at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes every month to burn off oil residue. You'll notice fewer smells and longer lifespan. Simple, effective, free. 7. The Real Shortlist 2025. Let's end with the only list that matters, the ones worth your money. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. The ultimate hybrid for those who want one appliance to rule them all. Philips Air Fryer XXL HD 9650/90 or HD 9870/20. Bulletproof classics. Quiet, durable, reliable. Ninja AF300 EU dual zone. perfect for families who like cooking two things at once. Cuisinart 270, old school build, new school performance. Panasonic NFCC 600 AXE, quiet mid-range pick if you hate noisy appliances. Everything else either overpriced, underbuilt, or destined for the back of your cabinet next to the waffle maker you never use. The bottom line. Air fryers aren't bad, but the wrong one will trick you into thinking you're eating healthy while wasting money, time, and patience. The right one, though, will actually earn its spot on your counter, turning lazy dinners into fast, clean, guilt-free meals. So before you hit buy now, ask yourself, do you want a kitchen gadget that screams and smokes after 6 months, or one that quietly performs for years? Because in 2025, smart cooking doesn't mean Wi-Fi and flashing lights. It means buying once and buying right. And if you want more honest reviews, brutal rankings, and zero BS advice the big brands hate, hit subscribe and join us here at NextGen Picks, where we don't chase trends, we expose them.